Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes as we wait for a weather front to push northward. And that will get these clouds that have been stubborn for yesterday and last night to get these clouds out of the way and set us up for warm and humid conditions, as very warm and humid conditions as we go through the rest of today. And then we'll have to deal with the risk of some thunderstorms, and for areas, I think more inland than along the coast, of possibility of severe thunderstorms. Weather in 5 is brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst. 631-957-5106 is the phone number there. And the website is liholidaylighting.com, and Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125 is the website there. And they have the best prices in town for anything you need hardware wise, mulch, topsoil, and hurricane emergency supplies. And their website is omnitruevalue.com. The radar's quiet this morning. We had a couple of showers move through overnight. You can see what's left of those now clearing eastern Long Island. That's telling us that this frontal boundary that has been stationary to our south kept us in the marine air. You see it here pulling in right along 40 degrees north into southern New Jersey and then swings up into eastern Pennsylvania. Gradually, that is going to move as a warm front and push on through. And of course, we have warm tropical air set up to the south along the eastern seaboard. The overnight temperatures mostly in the upper 60s and lower 70s. That is going to be pushing in for the rest of the day. And it's going to take highs up to the mid 80s to low 90s. It will be cooler, though, right along the immediate coast. The Storm Prediction Center has, this is the overnight forecast. There'll be an updated daytime forecast coming up in just a couple of hours or so. But they have a marginal risk of severe weather from northeastern Virginia up through Maryland and Delaware, all of New Jersey, except for the extreme southeast, Long Island, except for eastern Long Island. And you'll notice there's a small area of slight risk that has been generated on the overnight forecast up along I-90 in upstate New York and eastward into Massachusetts, southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire. And the risk is a 5% risk of damaging winds of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of any point, and a 15% risk is being indicated in the slight risk area. No hail is being forecast, and nor is there any tornado risk. But you'll notice that there's tornado risk in the Midwest, in Iowa, Wisconsin, 5%, in a larger area of 2% that surrounds it. And that's because the Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk of severe weather there. We think that for tomorrow, while there's the risk that there could be a pop-up, there's also going to be some stable air around. So I think that the thunderstorm chance for Thursday is very low. A marginal risk down through the Ohio Valley and through the middle Mississippi Valley into the southern plains. And then as we move on to Friday into Saturday, no severe weather risk is being indicated, although there is a general risk for thunderstorms. And I know everybody's been complaining about the rain. We've seen a ton of rain. We're on a record pace in the Northeast and in the northern mid-Atlantic states for rainfall. Looks like this is all going to be convectively driven. Anywhere from a half an inch to an inch is certainly possible. And of course, if we get any of these stronger thunderstorm clusters that want to sit over one particular area, you're going to wind up with much more. So taking a look going forward as far as the forecast is concerned, we're watching, this is from a couple of days ago, and of course the big ridge along the East Coast, the trough in the middle, the big ridge in the West Coast where the heat wave has been going on. That ridge has been strengthening up until yesterday, but now it's going to start to flatten out a bit. And we have a warm west-southwest flow aloft, which is why we're going to see our temperatures very warm to hot and humid over the next couple of days. Then another upper trough will swing through to our north on Friday, and the bottom part of that trough gets left back. And this is going to create some complications for the weekend and into the first part of next week until that weather system can just get out of the way. That is going to be the issue with respect to the weekend. So just roll this back a little bit here, and we'll take a look at for today. The warm front gets through. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s to low 90s. Watch for some late day and evening thunderstorms. Then for tomorrow, I think we should be, other than a couple of pop-ups, thunderstorm free. Upper 80s to low 90s from Northeast Virginia to southern New England. On Friday, a weather front gets close, and it looks like thunderstorms are possible inland. And we're going to leave in the chance for showers and thunderstorms over the weekend. The front gets by on Saturday, then kind of stalls out to our south on Sunday. And this is why you see the GFS just kind of hanging precip just offshore for Sunday and Monday, and even into early Tuesday before a wave finally develops and pulls away to the northeast. And perhaps we could get some improvement after Tuesday, although we still see some showers and storms around because weather systems will be coming down from the north. So no big problems here in sight other than the day-to-day thunderstorm risk, and of course that marginal to slight risk for severe weather that we have for today. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125. The website is omnitruevalue.com. And Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialists. Whether you want to get your home decorated this coming holiday season, or maybe you want to do this as a business, they're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. So get ready for the very warm to hot and humid conditions that will gradually take over. Of course, each day it's going to be a little bit cooler along the shore. The Joe and Joe Weather Show will be on tonight to review all of this and more, and that will be at 8:30 Eastern Time. So instead of 7:30, we'll be on at 8:30 Eastern Time. Have a good day, everybody.